Hello, how are you all? How was your weekend? For those who are new, I am Shefali. I am art teacher. I am teaching art since 1988, 32 years, and that is my job. I love teaching art, and here when I teach art, I'm not very restrictive that you have to use the same method or you have to do this way. Here we give little freedom, and I love your new experiments, and thank you very much for your all love, and uh, you are showing more interest in my workshops also. And why I am taking workshops, but because in workshops we do for 2 hours, 3 hours workshops we do. So here we can't do that long workshops, or in my online classes also the time duration is 1 hour, so we can't do the longer thing. So that is the workshops are. I mentioned 2 hours, but then we go ahead for 3 hours. It takes 2.5 and 3 because I want the product, the artwork should be good, and everyone we interact with them. And when I take workshop, my team is also with me. So I keep on posting about the workshop. And Father's Day. So next Sunday is Father's Day, and our parents are so important in our life, because I strongly believe without them we can't reach wherever we are. Or for the younger ones, whatever happiness you have because of your parents, they take care so much. They take care, and then they have so much concern, and always you must love and respect your parents. I remember when I was very young, I used to love art, and my father encouraged me so much. And in olden days there were no hobby classes, there was nothing, there were no internet, there was no IGTV, there was nothing. So that time he encouraged me, and I joined art classes, and he was always supportive. And today also, till today, he's so much keen on what I'm doing, what is my progress, how is the response. And when I tell him that I have so many followers from all over the globe, there are so many from US and UK and India, Himachal Pradesh, Gujarat, Bangalore, there are so many places, you all showering love to me. So thank you so much. And now let's come to the point. Today we are going to do canvas painting. You are asking, so many people message me what size canvas. So I am using 8 by 8, but you are allowed to use any size canvas. 1 minute, I want to see the feedback of all of you. And those who don't have canvas, don't worry, you can use a drawing book. You don't have canvas, because canvas, why we use canvas and acrylic? What is acrylic paints? Acrylic paints are a very easy way, very shiny, very vibrant, and with less effort you can create a beautiful painting, and you can preserve it for years. It won't get spoiled. So, and acrylic we have developed with so many simple technique I will teach you today. So these are the classes generally for beginners and kids and all. So then you all will have fun, believe me. And it is not specifically if you don't want to give it to your father or you want to keep it to yourself, because one day in my studio we made a trophy of a best father, but sorry for the interruption, there is some noise. Can you tell them? Just lower them. So they made a Father's Day trophy, and some children told me that I'll keep it for myself because he loved it so much. So we are doing one canvas painting. You can give it to your father, or you can keep it to yourself, or you can give it to anyone you want. I have taken a simple technique, simple painting, but definitely it will look really beautiful, and the message is really important. You can write some message on that. So what we need today, so I have a small pack of paint. So white is missing in this, so I am using this white. So there are basic colors: green, blue, black, red, white. So red, blue, yellow, green, black and white. So we are using this many colors. so you don't have to be worry. You know, that is why I told you to the small pack, because with this many paints we can do many paintings, so you don't have to worry about it. And we need these paints. We need one bowl with the water, but we are not going to use water with the paints. Okay, if you have sponge, that is fine. I am going to show with tissue paper, because many of you didn't got sponge. I got messages, so I am doing it with tissue paper. So you need a tissue paper. One important thing, old cloth and apron, because acrylic paints will not go from your clothes. It takes so much paint, so better to keep apron and old cloth. One round brush we need. One round brush, and I'm using paper plate because to remove the paint, and then I can throw it away. I'm telling you, don't use brushes which you use it for watercolor. If you don't have any choice, it is okay, but generally I don't use acrylic paints for watercolors, because with acrylic paint it becomes little hard. You have to immediately wash it, and newspaper on your table or desk wherever you are sitting. So it is some simple rules are really important to follow to make your place neat and clean. And thank you so much. There are so many grandmothers are doing artworks, and I'm loving it. All of you are sending me, and so much love you are showering. Thank you so much. And I'm coming up with new technique also next week. Next Sunday we are going to make a bottle lamp from the old bottle, and we'll be using paints, acrylic paints. So we are making a bottle lamp. I'll tell you which material we need for the next class. And after the session I will come live again for those my students there. You are sitting there, I am sitting here. If you want to interact, we'll chat. Definitely, I loved it last time, and even you enjoyed it, so let's catch up on that. And let me say hello to you. I'll show you both sponge and tissue both, so don't worry. Because I have kept a book next to me. I will do with the sponge also. And let me say hi to all of you. What is your name? Please tell me your name. I am waiting for a while. I am chatting because I know you all are Arav. Hello Arav, because you all are collecting your work. I am used to watercolor. It is okay. Yeah, you can use watercolor. Try. Hi Sakshi. Hi Roshni. And hello there. Kimaya and Kiana. I love you. Kimaya and Kiana. Yeah, kids can also do. It's very simple. Hi Inaya. Hi Itasha. Hi Seema. Hi Arwan. How are you? Hi Soraya. I love your work. Size, what size paper? Whatever size you have, keep it into 8 by 8, or I will show you what we are going to make, so you will come. So this is I have made on a paper, a sample I have made on a paper. So I have taken 8 inches by 8 inches. So you can make a square, and this way we can do it. So we are going to make something like this. So let's start. Hi Jia. Hi Dian. Hello everyone. Hi Vihan. Hello Soraya. So let's start with our work. So I am showing you with the sponge also. So let's start, and this will stay on IGTV also, and I'll tell you what to do now. So now we have Akruti with us for video, and say hi to Akruti. Hello Akruti.
Hello everyone.
So thank you. She's always there because it is very good when she takes close up, when I do tiny work. So she helps you to paint well, right? So let's start. So we are going to do this. So this is my canvas, and I will be showing some tricks. Those who are doing with the sponge, I'm showing here. I'm doing here with the tissue paper, and here I'll show with the sponge also. So all of you All of you, first take white paint, remove little white paint. We are making sky, so I took little white paint. Where is my brush gone? So here little blue. So many of you have started painting after many years, so I'm loving it. Thank you so much for experimenting. So I will, after taking out little blue, I'm washing my brush and wiping it, because we don't want water here. So in white I'm adding blue and I'm mixing blue and white, so I'll get light blue. I'm keeping little white also, so because I need some shade of white. So all of you are doing with me. So we are ready with light blue color. Be careful, don't take much paint, we don't want water. Now after taking this way, I am taking a tissue paper. I made little crumpled paper bowl with a tissue paper this way, and if you have sponge, you can hold your sponge this way. Okay, so either this is your choice, whatever you have. I am using Camel brand. I am using Camel brand. Any brand is fine. I have taken bottles. Those are not very expensive. You get it in 90 rupees pack. This is, so it's not very expensive, and with that you can make bottle lamp also. You can make 3-4 canvases, because paints are much we need. We are, if you are going to try and paint regularly, then you can buy a bigger box. But here you are, Fevicryl is also fine. Anything is fine. Any brand we are not concerned. So this is which blue I have. I am using ultramarine blue. So this is ultramarine blue. So whatever blue you have, it's fine. So after taking this, after making this bowl, you don't have tissue paper or sponge, use your fingers. Fingers are the best. I'll show you that also. So after taking this little blue, I'm going little round and round. Little blue and little white. I'm going round and round. Those who don't have tissue, sponge or tissue paper, they can take fingers. It is, you can be creative as you can. Don't be worried, or you don't be hesitant, and don't be afraid. If you are very scared, try on the paper first. And with the sponge, if you are doing, take paint in the sponge and go round and round. So these 3 methods I have shown it, but my paints are over, so I'll make more light blue. Try with the poster color also, yes, but in poster color you have to add little water. If you want to use poster colors, you have to add little water. It's beautiful there. It started raining. So now I am taking white and blue. I am doing with finger. You can use tissue paper, sponge or fingers, whatever you like. Take white. We are going to make sky. Plain light blue sky with little cloudy effect. So don't, just be careful, blend the colors well. Don't use direct blue, make it light blue, and otherwise the background will become very dark. So here we are using this way. Special love to all the fathers there for providing all the facilities. So here I am filling it up. I am not using water at all. I am creating a sky with blue and white. Again I need little white. Why I am using? Because I have not many colors. I have everything in my studio, and here I have less material, so I am trying to be I'm not wasting my material, and I'm trying to use it wisely. So here with the fingers we have created a sky. You can use sponge or tissue papers. You get all different effect with everything. So once you can try, you can experiment, because with each and every material you will get different texture. Instead of blue and white, you can take yellow and orange also. So I want to cover my full canvas. So we are almost done with the background. I always enjoy painting with fingers. I will take one session, fully will do everything with the fingers. So here we have created a beautiful sky. I will wash my, I will clear my finger. So I am waiting for 2 minutes for all of you. Many children's school have started, so kids are busy in online learning. So that is why IGTV will be helpful. You can use paper, poster colors, whatever you like. Try to create. You can create something good. I live in Mumbai. Yes, our studio is based in Mumbai. And thank you for all your love, all of you. I want to, many of you have started art after joining this online sessions, and if you are enjoying these sessions, yes, I will post this IGTV video on this live session on IGTV, because there are many schools have started. So those who have holiday, come on, do with me. It's fun to do together. That is why I am waiting for all of you. I want you to make a 20 or 30 seconds video how these art sessions are helping you in this lockdown period, because I get so many messages from you. So please create some small artwork maybe you can create, or make a 20 or 30 seconds video. I will post it in our story, and that will be a great reward for me, how it help you, because our sessions are going from, I have started from March, I think 15th March I have started this. So we have completed 3 months of live session. Beginning I was doing it for every day I was doing, and then I started twice a week. So now let's go ahead. All of you are done with the sky, and it is dried also, so we need it to be dry. Now we need a pencil. Sorry, I forgot to tell you that we need a pencil to draw something. just to draw branches. You all have become very good in drawing branches. So we will start from here. I want this part left to be blank. So from here we'll start one branch here, and from here we'll start one branch here. So I made 2 lines. Hope all of you can see this. I am making it double. From thick to thin I am making branches. Too much noise of the rain. So making branches like this. From here again thick to thin. Hope all of you can hear me, otherwise we'll go inside. I have to take everything inside. Now from here branches inside to outside. So this is, you can create the way you want. Here also I am making. So I made one line from here to up, from thick to thin, and then we made a branches and the semi branches. From here I made one line from here to here, thick to thin, and made branches. Now here we are going to make one big bird and one small bird. You can consider it as a father and a child, or so there is one leaf ka shape, one shape of a leaf, one big leaf shape, one half U, a pointed beak, and a triangle. Then again in opposite direction there is one leaf, one half circle, one beak, and a triangle. Fathers are always giving advices to kids, right? My father also gives me, still he gives me advices on everything. So he is explaining his kid that beta, don't go out, just be careful, study well, no more screen time. So all fathers are always giving their kids all good advices, and with those advices we can reach our goals, right? We can on the comments, so we can, all of you can hear me. All of you can hear me. My voice is cracking, so I will take this setup inside. All of you can hear me right now. Okay, so should I continue here? Yeah, okay, perfect. Because it is too much noise here of the rain. The rain is very heavy outside. So now let's go ahead. Let's go ahead with the thin brush. Let's go ahead. Yeah, it is okay. Don't worry, just do this way. Now we are taking black paint. Thank you. I love plants and I love greenery. So we have all green stuff in our house. So now we will take a brush, pointed brush, 4 number brush, 6 number brush, 2 number brush and black paint. Directly I am taking black paint from inside and we have to slowly fill up. We have to slowly fill up the branches. And if you can't, if your kid is small, if you can't hold brush, you can take earbud. You can take earbud to fill up the black paint. You can take earbud to fill up the black paint. So we are painting our all the branches. First we'll take the main branch. You all can look here first and then you can go ahead with your own thing. And now these branches, semi branches are from inside to outside. We have to go brush, we have to take brush from inside to outside. From inside to outside. Keep on taking paints from your bottle or you can take it in a palette. From inside to outside. Acrylics are really fun because it gives a beautiful effect with less efforts. So I am completing my branches. All of you can also do it. It will take little time to you because you have to focus for the perfect line. Art teaches you to have patience. There are few arts which can be, little bit messy, and I'm going to try abstract art also with you. There we can go with our own ideas and paint. So now this another branch I am doing it. We can color the birds with another color because good. Now it is slow down, so you can hear because the noise of the rain because of the roof. and don't forget to send me your work. And I want to we are going to write a message on this, so I want please write some personalized message. Don't copy from Pinterest or anywhere. Try to use whatever you feel about your father. Always it should be personal. And because nowadays everything is so easily available on the internet, we Google it and we copy paste. But here I would request you to make it personalized. Use your own ideas, use your own thoughts, maybe 2 words, but write on your own. That would be fun. And if you can't, then you are allowed to use Google. There are many benefits of this, all these new gadgets and new Instagram, and but there are, creativity people don't try on their own. I always tell my students, keep on trying new things, keep on trying on your own. One day you will find your own style. Even I am trying to do something, create on my own. Definitely I also take help of some material available on the net, but I try to create it on my own way. There is one simple technique also. If you don't want to do all these black things with the brush, you can use a marker. With this marker also you can do same effect like a paint. So if you want to gift it someone a small candle and you don't have time, or you are too scared to paint a straight line, then you can use this marker. So marker will give you the same effect. So here we are done with both the branches. I washed my brush and cleaned it. I forgot to get earbuds. In a second I'll get earbuds. So I have earbuds with me. I will take yellow color first. I am taking yellow color first. So I am just putting randomly dots near these branches with yellow. Only near the branches, the small branches, not near this big branch. Only near these branches. So it is randomly I am putting yellow dots near the branches. Both the trees, both the branches, I am taking the dots on these semi branches, the small dots on these semi branches. So big thank you to our fathers. Especially I am thanking my father for giving me everything, always encouraging. Definitely, mother is my world. Everyone, we all love our mothers, but especially this is for Father's Day. So after doing yellow, I did randomly few dots with the earbuds. I am taking another earbud and I am taking red color. After this, I am coming again live. Those who want to talk to me, and at this end of the session I am going to tell you what we are going to do next class and what you should keep it ready. So here I am doing some red dots around the yellow, but I don't want to look like, you know, a proper flower type, so I am putting red also little randomly here and there. So slowly, if I press, it becomes big. So here around red I'm doing, not in a flower shape, but you can create your own. As I told you again and again, as I'm telling you, try, don't be afraid. If it is different, try. If you want to try a different way, try it. You can use different colors also for the background, orange and yellow, and then you can change the color of the flowers also. You can do the background with fingers or with with the tissue paper or a sponge. We have workshops coming up. Workshops usually are for 2 hours or 3 hours. Coming week we have 2 workshops, one on Saturday, and I take limited students in that because we interact and we see their work and we give feedback and they correct it. So it is a long process and it goes for approximately 2.5 hours and 3 hours. So we have pencil sketching lion coming up, and Saturday we have oil pastel Krishna. So last Saturday we did Buddha, and thank you for the wonderful response. Our all seats were full. Now we are coming up with the Krishna with oil pastel. I'll share the details with all of you, but this sessions will be on, don't worry. We are coming up with a bottle lamp. Next week we are going to do a bottle lamp on a bottle, painting on a bottle. So we are going to paint on a bottle, a landscape on a bottle, and we can put light inside, so it becomes like a bottle lamp. So we are going to do that next week. So these acrylic paints which you have bought, we are going to use it, don't worry. So my tree is full of beautiful flowers. Now I'll take again brush and green paint. So when you take green paint, you take a paint on the brush and just press it. So this is called a Chinese painting, Chinese way method of painting. So wherever some little space is there, we are making some leaves. So you have to just put and take it, just put and take it. So just pressing it and taking it, so you get a leaf shape. If you don't know, you just practice on the paper first and then you can go ahead. So these are here, I am also doing some leaves. So some leaves. Here also. We are not making many leaves, but wherever I feel some space is empty, there I am putting leaves. So this is fun. You can take shades also if you want, green and yellow and all. So here I am thinking of painting the bird with the dark blue. So I am filling it up fully dark blue. You can do black also, but it is clashing with my branch. The color is clashing with my branch, so I am doing it blue. This is not a realistic painting, so that is why you can use the way you want. Just don't think so much. Even kids can do the same painting. Everyone can do, because there is if you don't have earbuds, you can use fingers. Fingers also you get such a really beautiful thing. See, with the fingers also you can create flowers like this. So this way, so you can use fingers also. And I am doing beak with the red. So the painting is done, and here is my ready painting, where I have this is my message. I have not copied from everywhere. I call him Papa. So dear Papa, thank you for teaching me how to see colors in plain sky. So I can see so many colors in plain sky. So he taught me to be strong, and in any circumstances you have to see some good thing in that. So this is my personal message. Why I am reading out to you? Because I want you to write on your own whatever you feel, and you can give it this. If you don't want it to any, you want to gift it to anyone, you can make it. You can write any sentences here, anything, whatever you want, you can write here. And there is a shortcut also. You can clear it if anything left. And why I am showing you, because see, if you can do anything with the black paint, you can write here. So this black pen is really very good. Where you want, if you want to do with this also, you can do it. You can do with the black pen also. So hope all of you have enjoyed, and I want you to make some drawing. All of you, I want you to do one thing for me. Please, this is our third month. We are completing 3 months of online art sessions. So please make some 20-second or 30-second video, and please post us how you enjoyed this lockdown period doing some art, and this will be really grateful. Or you can make some artwork where you can write your message about how you enjoyed these art sessions. And please, you can write a review on Google also. That will be very helpful. And thank you so much for all your love. This is today's artwork, canvas painting. It is really fun. Please try. Don't be afraid. So many of you have started painting for the first time. Many of you are from different professions, but you are trying it. So I am loving it, and I love you all. Thank you so much. I am posting this video on IGTV. So whenever, if children have school, they can do it. And thank you for all your love. See you next week. Yeah, I want to show you what we are going to do next week. We are going to make a bottle lamp. 1 minute, I'll show you. bottle lamp we are going to make. This is a empty wine bottle. If you don't have wine bottle, you can have a tomato ketchup bottle. Any glass bottle will do. And this is the light. So we can put light inside, and here we are going to paint a landscape. So we are going to make a bottle lamp next class. So all of you, if you have acrylic paint, we are going to do it. So I am coming live again. If anyone wants to join with me and talk to me, let's talk. Lots of love. Thank you for all your feedback and all your love. Bye. See you next Monday. Take care. Love you.